Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best phone camera clicker is probably one of the most versatile and convenient accessories you can add to your smartphone photography toolkit, allowing you to capture stunning shots from a distance without fumbling with your phone's screen or timer. Imagine effortlessly taking group photos where everyone is included, capturing stable long-exposure shots without any shake, or even discreetly snapping pictures without drawing attention. This little device makes it all possible, transforming your mobile photography experience from ordinary to extraordinary with just a simple click. Number 5. CamKix Bluetooth Camera Shutter Remote. Introducing a handy little gadget that makes taking selfies, group shots, and steady photos exciting and easy. You can now create amazing photos and videos hands-free for all your social media needs. This remote is incredibly lightweight and convenient to carry wherever you go. Simply slip it into your pocket or attach it to your keychain for quick access. Experience smooth and reliable pairing with certified Bluetooth wireless technology. It ensures fast operation and can trigger your device from up to 30 feet away. Capture pictures and videos instantly with dedicated buttons for each function. It's designed for intuitive use, allowing you to switch between modes effortlessly. This device pairs perfectly with a wide range of smartphones and tablets. It works seamlessly with both iOS and Android operating systems, ensuring broad compatibility. Take your photography to the next level with this simple yet powerful remote. It's the perfect accessory for capturing memories without needing to reach for your device. What we like. This is a fantastic little gadget for anyone who loves taking photos on the go. Its compact size means you can take it anywhere, and the reliable Bluetooth connection ensures you can capture shots from up to 30 feet away. If you're looking for a simple, portable solution for selfies and group shots without needing a timer, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly. Took about 30 seconds to link to my phone and use. Pairing took 20 seconds, flip it on, open Bluetooth, tap the remote, done. No app, no drama. It just works with the phone's camera. Click photo. Hold burst, on most phones. Across the room, 30 feet 10 it still fires. The remote works perfectly, allowing me to take photos from a distance without any hassle. It's ideal for group photos, selfies, and even more creative shots where I want to be part of the scene without holding the phone. The response time is instant, ensuring I capture the moment exactly when I want to. Number 4. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for Smartphones. This lens kit is designed to work with virtually all smartphones, tablets, and laptops, ensuring you can capture stunning photos no matter your device. Expand your field of view by 45% with the TrueView wide-angle lens. It's perfect for landscapes, group shots, and selfies, delivering clear images without dark corners. Get incredibly close to your subject with the Claris macro lens. It reveals breathtaking details for stunning close-up photography, bringing the smallest subjects into sharp focus. The Glow Clip LED light provides warm, natural illumination for your photos, especially in low light. With 3 brightness settings, it ensures perfect lighting for every shot. The TrueGrip lens clip ensures a secure fit, while the included travel case and quick-release lanyard make it easy to transport and protect your entire kit on the go. Crafted with aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass, these lenses minimize reflections and artifacts, offering exceptional clarity and durability for all your photography needs. What we like. Elevate your mobile photography with this versatile lens kit. It includes a wide-angle lens to capture more in your frame and a macro lens for incredible close-ups, plus a rechargeable LED light for perfect illumination. If you're serious about improving your phone's camera capabilities and want to experiment with different shot types, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The clicker works perfectly with my phone camera, allowing me to take photos remotely. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, and it fits comfortably in my pocket. The remote shutter function is very convenient for group photos and selfies, ensuring I don't miss any shots. Number 3. ZTTOPO Wireless Smartphone Camera Remote, 2-pack. Introducing a convenient way to control your phone's camera from a distance. Perfect for capturing steady tripod shots or taking selfies without reaching for your device. This remote is incredibly small and lightweight, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Keep it on your keychain or in your pocket for instant access. You can now take photos even when you're up to 30 feet away from your phone. This offers great flexibility for group shots or when you need a wider perspective. It works seamlessly with a vast range of devices, including the latest iPhones and Android models. Simply pair it and start creating amazing photos. This device supports both long presses for video recording and short presses for taking photos. It's also compatible with popular apps like Instagram and Snapchat. A handy wrist strap is included, ensuring you won't misplace your remote. Keep it securely attached to your wrist for easy access during your photo adventures. What we like. Get double the convenience with this 2-pack of wireless shutter remotes. They are incredibly small and easy to carry, perfect for keeping one on your keychain and another in your bag. If you often take photos with friends or family and want to ensure everyone is in the shot, or if you simply want a backup, this value pack is ideal. What people say. The clicker works great with my phone camera, allowing me to take pictures remotely. It's a handy little gadget that makes taking selfies and group photos much easier. Number 2. RF Remote Control Page Turner for Tablets. Tired of fumbling with your device to turn the page? Introducing a revolutionary remote that makes reading seamless. Simply press a button to advance your content. This device works with a vast range of e-readers and tablets, including Kindle, iPad, and Android devices. Enjoy hands-free reading on your favorite platform. Reading in bed just got a whole lot more comfortable. Keep your hands free and warm, especially during colder months. It's perfect for anyone who loves to read without the hassle. Featuring a mute button design, you can turn pages silently. This is ideal for quiet environments or late-night reading without disturbing others. Using it is incredibly easy. Just hold the remote and press the button to go to the next page. It's designed for ultimate reading comfort. Forget about frequent charging. With a full charge, it lasts for weeks, providing uninterrupted reading sessions. Enjoy extended use without battery worries. It charges conveniently with USB-C, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. A single charge can power your reading for months, making it both eco-friendly and practical. What we like. This device is a game-changer for avid readers, especially those who enjoy reading in bed or on the go. Its primary function is to turn pages on e-readers and tablets with a simple click, and the mute button ensures a quiet reading experience. If you dislike holding your device or constantly reaching to turn pages, particularly in bed during colder months, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. It works with almost all touchscreen e-readers and tablets, just not the Fire HD 10 or some older Kindles, and it's made reading in bed so much easier. The mute button is great for quiet, late-night reading, and the remote is simple to use, just press and the page turns. The battery life seems to be excellent so far, and the USB-C charging is super convenient. It works perfectly with my Kindle and makes reading so much more comfortable, especially when I'm relaxing or lying down. The installation was simple, and the remote responds quickly with no delay when turning pages. The clip holds the Kindle securely without scratching the screen or leaving marks. It also has great battery life, so I don't have to worry about charging it often. It works. I can keep my page-turning hand cozily under the covers and read happily until I fall asleep. And it isn't tissue paper fragile, unlike some of the others. I've packed it, dropped it, knocked it off the Kindle on the way down the stairs. It was fine every time. A single charge can last for weeks. Number 1. CamKix Wireless Bluetooth Camera Shutter Remote. Take stunning selfies and capture steady tripod shots with ultimate convenience. This device offers easy, hands-free shutter control for all your mobile photography needs. Designed to be incredibly small and lightweight, you can easily keep it on your keychain or in your pocket. It's the perfect companion for photography on the go. Enjoy the freedom to take photos from up to 30 feet away. This allows you to get the perfect shot even when you're not right next to your device. It works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, supporting a wide range of operating systems. You can use your phone's built-in camera app or other popular options. This remote is compatible with a vast array of smartphones and tablets, including popular models from Apple and Samsung. It ensures you can enhance your mobile photography experience regardless of your device. Never lose track of your remote again. It comes with a convenient wrist strap, making it easy to carry and always within reach. What we like. This is a straightforward and reliable Bluetooth remote for your smartphone camera. It's incredibly portable, fitting easily into a pocket or on a keychain, and offers a generous 30-foot range. If you need a no-fuss, universally compatible remote for taking selfies or stable shots from a distance, this option provides excellent value and ease of use. What people say. My 14-year-old son uses this for his stop-motion animation. This little clicker is so useful for the images I take. It paired with my iPhone 6s via Bluetooth quickly. It activates the phone's camera shutter instantly upon pressing the button. I've tested it at a range of 30 feet and it works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.